Born on a humble farm in Dearborn, Michigan, Henry Ford, the man who would transform the automobile from a luxury plaything to a staple of American life, was nothing short of a revolutionary. His journey from modest beginnings to the pinnacle of industrial success is a tale of relentless perseverance, shrewd innovation, and at times, stark controversy. Ford's most significant contribution, without a doubt, was the introduction of assembly line production to the automobile industry. This bold move, coupled with his decision to standardize parts, made cars affordable for the ordinary citizen. The year 1908 marked a turning point in automotive history with the unveiling of the Model T, a car that would come to symbolize freedom of movement and economic prosperity for the average American. However, the road to success wasn't always smooth for Ford. His autocratic style and contentious relationships with shareholders often caused internal strife within the company, threatening its stability and growth. More notably, Ford's legacy is marred by his anti-Semitic views, which he unapologetically expressed in his writings. These darker aspects of his character cast a long shadow over his otherwise stellar contributions. Yet, even with these controversies, Henry Ford's influence on the world remains unshakable. His innovations extended beyond the realm of cars, transforming the very nature of work and industry. The establishment of the 8-hour workday, the birth of consumer culture, all bear the stamp of Ford's visionary thinking. Ford's life serves as a stark reminder that brilliance and innovation often coexist with human flaws and moral failings. His story is a lesson in the perils of unchecked ambition and ideological extremism. But it also showcases the indomitable spirit of human ingenuity and the power of perseverance. As the wheels of progress continue to turn, Henry Ford's legacy endures. The Ford Motor Company, now venturing into the realm of electric vehicles and sustainable mobility, stands as a testament to its founder's innovative spirit, even as it seeks to transcend the shadows of the past. Henry Ford may be gone, but his influence remains, woven into the very fabric of our modern society. His legacy is a beacon of inspiration, illuminating the path for future generations of innovators and dreamers. From a farm in Michigan to the annals of history, the journey of Henry Ford is a testament to the enduring power of human imagination.